Alright, I'm back next year. 1 year later, doing the driveway again. The best way is to push this thing backwards. So like that was a little struggle there on the back. So get it about halfway on your space here. Get the engine pumped up with a lot of water and then let it go. Just going to do a steady walk, not too fast. Once you get about 3 feet, you want to take it off and put the sprayer on the driveway to get the most of the dirt out of the way. This spacer is not going to push all that dirt down the hill. So I've got my wand here hooked up, so see all the dirt that's moving? So use that as to clean your driveway, get the big dirt off. That cleaner's just not going to do that. You're going to have it stay on the driveway if you just try to do it with just the cleaner alone. Use your wand to get about 3 or 4 feet and then put your cleaner back on it. Alright, let's go another one. Alright, here we go. Steady. There's some spots here, sometimes it just needs a second path. Let the engine catch up here for a second, get some water in the pipe. Do it again. You get a whole driveway done in 3 hours instead of 3 days with this cleaner. Have fun.